We will try to discover some street food. They put the goat, it's here, they prepare it, they leave it like 24 hours, so nice weather. And the snack, so they put fricassee, harissa, potatoes from the sea. Hi, we are here in Neapolis city. Oh, nice, so quiet city. Nice weather. It's like a park, not so far from the sea. It's for family. See, place white, many street food, traditional food. Put it harissa. Okay, we are here front the snack. Select cornish. Here they prepare. This is goat. It's like goat from America, but it's traditional. Yeah.
¡Vale, mariachi!
The goat, it's here, they prepare it, they leave it like 24 hours. And then they cook it in the oil here, like 200 degree. And they prepare it, it's so traditional food. And then they put it here in the sugar, leave it in the sugar. It's so tasty food. And here they prepare the name, it's fricassee. Put it harissa. They put it harissa, potatoes. Potatoes, tuna, and olive. We put it in the sugar and it's around the thing. So yeah, it's for fishermen. This is place they sit here and try to catch fish.